We work hard to give everyone the very best, and when we hear we've made a difference, it makes it all worthwhile. Here's a fantastic review about just one of many happy experiences. We do our best every single time. Though we never ask for feedback, we always appreciate hearing we've done a great job, as we strive to constantly improve our services by listening, focusing and caring every single time. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? Come by and experience our impeccable service today. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Call us today at the number on your screen. Have a nice day.